Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. Today's question is basketball score. In this question, a basketball team scored X successful three pointers and Y successful two pointers in a row. Our task is to compute the total score of the team. So each three pointer is worth 3 points and each two pointers is worth 2 points. Now we are in the input format. We are given two integers separated by a space in a single line, which represents the number of successful three pointers and the successful two pointers, respectively. And in the output format, we need to print in a single line a single integer, which is the total score of the team. In the constraints, we are given that x and y will both lie in between 1 and 10 always. Now let's see the sample input one. In the sample input one, the team scored two three pointers. So the total number of points for this would be six, that is three times two. And the team scored three two pointers. So the total number of points for this would be three into two again, which is six. So the total score of the whole team is two into three plus three into two, that is 12. In the second input, we have x equal to 1 and y equal to 3. So the answer would be x times 1, which is, sorry, 3 times 1, which is 3, plus 2 times 3, which is 6. So the total is 3 times 6, plus, which is equal to 9. In the third input, we have the team scored 10 3 pointers and 1 2 pointer. So the total score would be 10 times 3, which is 30, plus 2 times 1, which is 2. So 30 plus 2, that is 32. Now for the solution, all we need to do is take in the input of x and y and print 3 times x plus 2 times y, right? And yeah, that's pretty much the whole solution. Now let's see the solution in C++ and Python. So first, let's see the solution in Python. So we'll begin by taking in the input of x and y. Now, how are we taking in the input over here? So over here, we are first of all taking the input of the whole line as a string and we'll split it with respect to the spaces. So this will give us a list of strings and we'll convert that list of strings into a list of integers using this map. And once we have converted them, we'll just map them inside x and y as integers. This x and y will now store the required integers. In the end, we'll just print 3 times x plus 2 times y. Now let's see the solution in C++. So we'll begin by taking the input of x and y using C, and then we'll just simply print the output, that is 3 times x plus 2 times y using cout, and just end the list to just give a line break. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole solution. The time complexity is constant because we're just doing 5 number of total operations. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like that. Thanks.